Today I'm going to share with you how to go from this hair to instant volume in literally 5 minutes. Start off with this look, you're going to need the Puff Me Volumizing Powder Spray. To use this, apply the lightweight powder to your roots and use your fingers to work its shape. Continue doing this until you work your way up to your desired part. Puff Me is the first ever volumizing powder spray in a pump. The key benefits to this product is that it creates instant volume, it's odor and mess free, and it's made to work with normal to thick hair and gives off that perfect look for instant volume, and also works great for updos and braids. So basically, I'm just going to section off my hair and spray the powder onto the roots and continue using my fingers to puff up that volumosity. Now as you can see how awesome this product looks on my hair. It totally does the job. Continuing on, I'm just going to repeat the same process on the other side. So basically, section off your hair to where you want the volume to start and spray the powder to your roots and wiggle your fingers to work it in. And bam! 5-minute instant volume. This stuff here, guys, is the real deal. I just want to say that I'm not sponsored by Puff Me at all. This is strictly just me trying it out and seeing if it actually works. And from my experience right now, it really does work. I mean, just a little bit goes a long way. I mean, like, I know that you guys are all thinking like, oh, your hair is just kind of like voluminous because you are scrunching it up. But literally, guys, once you put this on, you will feel the texture of your hair change drastically. Like, it'll feel a lot more manageable, and it feels like your hair will hold its shape more using this product. So like, if I take this again and I just kind of spray more on my roots, I even can feel the texture of my hair. It feels a lot more firmer. So if I want my hair to stay like this, it'll literally stay. I mean, I think that even if you want more of a hold or more of volume, I would say use this in mixture of teasing it, then you will get more of that hold. But just using this on its own really does the trick. So if I want more volume, let me say on this side over here, I don't even know if I can put any more. There's a lot of texture on my hair, but seriously, if you take a little bit of this underneath here, all you have to do again is just spray by the roots, give your fingers a little wiggle underneath there, like literally give it a wiggle, and then you have va-va-voom, volume. I mean, my hair is all messy right now, but you know what I mean? Like, I'm just kind of giving you the rundown here, the deal on how this actually works. So it's very textureful, if that is even a word. But yeah, no, like, this stuff is so cool. I will definitely get my hands on one of these for myself. This actually was just lent to me to try out and test out to see if it will work on my hair, and clearly it does really work. And because my hair is like super thin, and anytime that I try to put volume on my hair, within like an hour or so, my hair will go back to flat, like right up here. This is where I have the most trouble, just at the top of my head. It'll always stay flat, and I always want the volume to be at the top rather than at the bottom, so it kind of gives me more of like that fuller look as to what I'm going for. But yeah, I will post a link in my description box where you can get your hands on one of these as well. I'm sure you can get this on Amazon. Not even sure if they have their own website. They probably will. I've never researched it or anything like that, but I will definitely post some information down there if you guys want to get your hands on this, because this is really a lifesaver. If you guys have really flat, thin hair and you want that extra volume, then I guess I highly suggest that you guys get Puff Me, because it really does puff you up a little bit. I even feel like my hair is a lot thicker. All you have to do is massage, massage, and massage, If you want your hair to stay like this, it'll literally stay like that, but no. Brush it down a little bit. And that is it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also if you guys are new here to my channel, please subscribe. It'll mean a lot to me. Other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.